When I was a child, I used to tinker with a lot of machines. I used to learn to play some video games with that kind of floppy disk. Then I knew that that's my passion, that I wanted to do that with my life. Before joining AWS Educate, I was considering a career in technology, but I knew that's basically my stepping stone, where I learned about the cloud, I learned different services, compute, database. Now, my current specialty is artificial intelligence, machine learning. I did complete tons of different AWS Educate courses. I think they are very well structured and they provide a really well ability to develop hands-on experience. Then nowadays, I really love this course about machine learning. And I think that if I hadn't taken these courses and hadn't developed my skills with this kind of knowledge, I wouldn't be here. The thing I like about AWS Educate, for me, is this kind of gamifications, because I love badges. So working the cloud is extremely rewarding because you open the door to tons of different opportunities. Completing the AWS Educate training actually had a really big impact in my life, because not only I got this inspiration to keep learning, but I also had this edge in my professional career over others.